So when you look at from 2019 to 2020, one of the things that we decided when we decided to work and look at the uLab system to build an IDB system, we started thinking through making a modular system where you can actually design it better and you can have more control on it. So think about it as like segmentation of the tooth. If you have a lot of modules, every tooth has a tray that is calculated, smartly designed, then you can actually modify it, as opposed to like when you get a one big set of the tray, you don't have a lot of control on modifying this. So we went with a modular design, which I believe that is smarter when you think about the design process. So the early days, this is one of those early iteration of the design that we had. Obviously, we want to make it so it prints pretty well. So all these modules were connected with a little flat surface that we can print it on a flat surface of a printer. So this was how we started. And then, moving forward, we kind of pivot a little bit and added a little twist to our design, and we created this hybrid design model, which ultimately there's a patent on it from uLab, which we worked on it. So we decided that this modular plan that we have, which I will tell you a little bit more about what are the other parts are, they can be all connected with a little bit of an aligner. So think about it as like if you have an aligners on the teeth and then you connect these modules together. So these are the photos from the patent, and you can see like these are the design that we had. So if you look at this in here, this is the actual module, and then the module will get connected with a kind of an aligner design or a shell design to hold them that way, right? So now when you look at the actual tray, when you start doing it today, you will see that these are the aligners, these are the tray, and these are the modules. And then we have these lumen that initially we designed it to try to remove the excessive of the glue. And I think you still can do it. You want to have a sharp explorer or scaler to try to do that if you want to do it. It's a very technique sensitive process, so you need to learn it. But I think ultimately we learned, or we found, that it's actually really good area where you can actually cure the adhesive on the brackets, right? So even that initially our thought process was to use the lumen for cleaning the excessive glue, but then ultimately I thought that we use it more for better exposure of light to the actual surface of the bracket. So these are example. This is on a 3D printer, so you can see it on the build plate, and you don't need any support to print it. So it's a very, very easy object to print it in your clinic.